Here is another example of C++ program. Already we have done one simple program to display a welcome message. Here is another program. The program is about write a C++ program to display the result of addition of two integer numbers. So here you should mind that it is the addition of two integer numbers, not the real numbers. Means it is only the numbers without decimal points. So here I have written the program. First you start with the step 1 hash include conio.h, step 2 hash include iostream.h header file, then void main curly brace start clear screen clr function means, then int n1 is equal to 34, n2 is equal to 54, comma result semicolon. You should mind this line. Here I have declared the variables as well as I have initialized the variable also. So first variable I have taken as n1 and whose value is 34. You can take another value also. And n2, this is the second variable, and the value for n2 is 54. You can take another variable name as well as you can take another values also. And another variable I have taken to store the results. So here I have taken three variables n1, n2 and result. n1 is for storing the first number, n2 is used for storing the second number, and result is used for storing the output or for storing the summation of the numbers. So these three variables you need to declare in the second step. Okay, you can take different names for the variables and different values for the variables. Then what is the logic for adding two numbers? The logic is just you have to use the plus symbol and add the numbers. So here where you have to store the output or result, in the result variable. So here I have written result is equal to n1 plus n2 means 34 plus 54. We are not writing here 34 and 54 because in programming we are working with the variables. So here n1 plus n2. Then we need to display the result. So for displaying any result or displaying any statement, we have to write cout object. So cout, then in quotation mark whatever you want to display, that statement you have to write. So here I want to display addition of two numbers, so I have written this statement in double quotation mark. After that again I have given the extraction symbol or operator, then I put the variable for display the result, where I have stored the result in result variable. So here I need to write only the variable name without the double quotation mark. Okay, so mind this one. When we want to display the statement, we need to write within the double quotation mark, and when we want to display the variable name, then directly you write the variable name. Okay, here you don't use the double quotation mark. After that write the gets function, then bracket close. This is the first program for adding two integer numbers. So after writing the program in a new file, you need to save the file. After that you compile the file. After that you run the file. So when you run the file, you will see the black screen, and in the black screen you can see this result as your output. So in the cout statement, cout function, we have written the statement addition of two numbers, so that will be in your output window, and along with the value, along with the addition value, you get the result as a output. Okay, so this is your first C++ program for adding two integer numbers. Now you can do another programs for subtracting two numbers or multiplication of two numbers or division of two numbers. You can try these functions or you can try these programs for different variables.